Welcome to the first video in our Your Hub series, Accessing Your Hub. Your Hub is our human resources information system at Bruyère Health. It is powered by UKG, a recognized leader in human capital management. We call the system Your Hub because it is your go-to place for everything related to human resources. Your personal information, your job details, your work schedule, your pay, and much more, all in one spot. In this video, you will learn how to access Your Hub from your work computer, from your personal computer, and from your mobile device. Your Hub can be accessed from any Bruyère Health work computer while on site. After logging into the work computer, open a web browser. All Bruyère Health work computers are set up to direct you to the Infonet site when a browser is opened. On Infonet, simply click the Your Hub button at the top of the screen. This will launch the Your Hub application. Another way to access Your Hub is by opening the Bruyère Apps folder on your work computer's desktop. This folder appears by default on all work computers. Inside, you will see a list of applications. Simply click on the Your Hub icon and you will be taken directly to the Your Hub application. You will also find Bruyère Health computers in public areas across all our service sites. After logging in to the public computer, you will find the Your Hub application icon right there on the desktop. You can also find it in the Bruyère Apps folder if needed. Simply click on the Your Hub icon and you will be taken directly to the Your Hub application. You can also access Your Hub from your personal computer when you are off-site. Start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type bruyere.org and then press Enter. This will take you to the Bruyère Health external website. To continue, scroll all the way to the bottom of the homepage. Once there, click the Your Hub button. Once the sign-in page appears, enter your Bruyère Health email address and password to access your account. If you have not yet set up multi-factor authentication, you will be guided through the setup before you can continue. This process requires a phone or a mobile device which can receive verification codes. If MFA is already set up, simply enter the verification code when prompted to complete your sign-in. Finally, accessing Your Hub from your mobile device is easy once you have completed the three-step installation process. Please note that the UKG mobile app should not be downloaded directly from the App Store or from Google Play. Here is how to get it. First, install the Intune Company Portal app from the App Store or Google Play, and then sign in using your Bruyère Health email address and password. Next, if you have already set up multi-factor authentication, enter your verification code to access the Intune Company Portal. If not, follow the prompts to set it up by either installing the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play, or by choosing to receive a verification code by text. Once authentication is complete, you'll have access to the company portal, and from there, locate the UKG Pro app in the list of available apps and download it. To help you with this process, a job aid is available on Infonet to guide you through each step in downloading the mobile app. Here is how to find it. First, go to the Infonet homepage. On the right, find the Quick Link section and click Your Hub Job Aids. From there, select Mobile App Instructions. You will then see a simple step-by-step guide to help you download and set up the app with ease. That's it! You're now ready to start using Your Hub to view your schedule, request time off, see your pay stub, and access even more features, all at your fingertips. To learn more about navigating Your Hub, please check out the next video in our Your Hub series.